Hey folks, Russell here of RWA Fishing. Well, today, oh my goodness, it is windy. We are in the midst of a cold front. Yesterday, it was about 60 degrees. Today, starting off in the morning, it's 47 degrees and it's forecast to be dropping. We got passing showers, but they're forecast to clear up in a bit. But you know what? Sounds like fishing conditions to me. So we're gonna send some stuff out and hopefully we'll get a bite. Well, folks, let's see how it goes. All right, I'm getting ready to send out this crappie jig, folks. We're gonna see if we can get some action going. Of course, we got the wind coming right at us, so that's gonna cut the distance some. I might have to try a brighter colored float. It's kind of hard to see. All right, let's see if we can get this one out there. Yeah, that's a lot easier to see. That's a little bit to the right. It looked like something made it move. Oh, something pulled it under. Didn't get hooked though. Did I get him? Hey, I got a fish. Let's see if I can land him. He looks kind of small though. He's a little rascal, folks, but we got a fish. All right. We're gonna see if they're gonna get any bigger. So we did get one. Yeah, I forgot my. He's a little rascal, but hey, we avoided the skunk. We'll let him go. Thanks for showing up, buddy. Forgot my rig. Do I have one in here? Oh yeah, I do. Oh, goody. That cast was fighting the wind for sure. Can I get a fish or is it a snag? I sense a fish. What we got? What have we got here? It's a little bass. Got a little bass. Let's see if we can get the hook out of him. Yeah. All right, little rascal. You are not on the menu today. Trying to find your little crappy cousin. But thanks for showing up though. We're gonna cast it out there again. See if we can catch him. bigger crappie. Oh, something pulled it under, didn't get hooked. Still a lot of grass and stuff. That breeze is pretty strong. Don't know if that gust is going to die down or not. We'll try one. We'll try one. Didn't put my waders on. Look at the wind just take that. The wind's too strong to try. We're going back to where we were just about. All right, we'll try it right here for a little bit. Well, whatever happens is going to have to happen down here. All right, we're going to try right here again. I had to get my skull cap and my gloves. The wind is getting to me. And the temperature dropping throughout the day doesn't help any. If that break in the clouds reaches over here, sun might warm me up a little bit. But nothing's gonna help is wind. This time, folks. Let's see if I can land her. There's another little bass. Another little bass. Where are your crappie cousins? Get that out. All right. Well, it's a fish. We got another little bass. It's not the same one. This one's a little bigger than the first one. All right. But I met your crappie cousins. But thanks for showing up, though. I'll let you go now. I'm gonna send the drop shot out there for a little bit. right, we're gonna cast this spinner bait in a bit. Wind is coming right at me. Just a few more casts. Windy all day. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. What do we got here? What do we got here, folks? Looks like another little bass. Yeah, just another little bass. Looks like that's going to be it for me today, folks. Just bass. Hey, better than nothing, though. But I think he's even bigger than the last one I caught. Yeah, he's the biggest one so far, which isn't saying much, but hey, at least I'm not getting skunked. Oh, this wind is terrible. Thanks for showing up, buddy. It's a pretty rascal though, nice and healthy, good lines, good color. Did I get one? I think I got one, folks. I think I got one. Yeah, I feel it thrashing. I think it's probably another little bass. Let's see what we got. Yup. Another little bass. Yeah. Alrighty. Another little bass. Alright. Thanks for showing up, buddy. Another little rascal. I'm gonna let you go. Well, folks, this is about all I can stand of this wind. It was constant, relentless, and they forecast the temperatures to drop throughout the day, and it sure felt like it. But I still managed to catch some fish, 4 bass and 1 crappie. Hey, glad of that. So I'm gonna pack it in and gonna try again another day. Well, folks, if you are new to the channel, how about hitting that subscribe button and then follow it up by the bell notification, so that way you know I have some videos coming at you. And folks, for coming out here on this cold and windy day, right in the midst of a cold front that was dropping temperatures throughout the day, and wind that never let up, but yet catching some fish, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. But folks, thanks for watching our WA Fishing, and as always, God bless you.